Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator. First, let's prepare. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Gather all necessary tools, including a large drain pan, a socket set, and fresh coolant. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. This initial preparation will make the entire process smoother and safer for you. Now let's drain the old coolant. Place a large drain pan directly under the radiator's drain cock, usually located at the bottom. Carefully open the drain cock and let all the old coolant completely empty into the pan. Once drained, disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Also, remember to unclip any electrical connectors, such as those for the cooling fan or sensors, from the radiator itself. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. Begin by unbolting the radiator's mounting brackets and carefully detaching the fan shroud. Once these are free, gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the surrounding area for any signs of other damage or wear that might need attention while you have everything accessible. Finally, let's install your new radiator. Carefully lower the new radiator into its position in the engine bay. Reattach the fan shroud, secure the mounting brackets, and reconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Don't forget to plug in all electrical connectors. Refill the system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically around 8 to 10 quarts. Then, bleed the cooling system to remove any trapped air for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.